How to create an ATS-friendly UI UX designer resume and what should be avoided. First, what is ATS and why it matters? ATS means Applicant Tracking System. So it's a software that reads your resume before a human even sees that. So if your resume isn't ATS friendly, then what will happen? It might get rejected automatically. So even though if you are a super talented, ATS won't understand that. So we need to design the resume not just for the people but also for the software. So let's get started. Hi, I am Rambal from Aspira. Happy to see you again. Now I am going to talk about how to make an ATS friendly UX UI designer resume. Simple, clean layout. So no fancy design, graphics, tables or columns. So use a simple one column format. You can still make it neat and stylish with the spacing and clean fonts. Standard section headings. Use common headings something like profile summary, skills, work experience, projects, education, certifications. Certifications are optional. Use keywords. This is very important. Read the job description carefully. Then you have to pick the keywords something like wireframing, user research, Figma, user flows, usability testing, etc. And these keywords naturally into your skills and experience section. So you have to mention the tools very clearly. So tools something like a Figma, Sketch, Maze, Miro, etc. You have to clearly listed under your skills section. Highlight the achievements, not just the tasks. So instead of just writing something like designed user interfaces for mobile apps, don't do that. Instead of that, you can write designed 10 plus mobile app interfaces, improving user retention by 20% through user-centered design. So always talk about impact if possible. Focus on the projects. So very important for UX and UI designers. Even if you are a fresher, project work matters a lot. So add your personal projects, freelance works, case studies. So link your portfolio, something like online, Behance, Dribble, personal website, etc. in the resume. Keep it short. So ideally, your resume should be one page if you have less than 5 years of experience. 2 pages max if you have more experiences. So now we are coming to the crucial part, what to avoid in your UI UX resume. No graphics, heavy templates. ATS can't read fancy designs, colors or icons properly. So you have to use the simple black text on the white background. No unusual fonts. So stick to fonts like something like a Roberto, Calibri, Helvetica. These are easy to read. Don't list too many soft skills. So soft skills something like a hardworking, team player, good communicator. These are okay, but it's not enough. Focus more on your skills and results. Don't add personal details. No need to mention the gender, age, marital status or a photo unless the company asks. Next, don't make it too generic. So customize your resume a little for each job that you apply. So use the right keywords and slightly adjust your summary or project highlights. Best practices for a UI UX resume in a 2025 style. So you need to have the strong profile summary. It should be somewhere around 3 lines. So something like passionate UI UX designer with 2+ years of experience in creating engaging digital experiences, skilled in Figma, usability testing and responsive design. Proven ability to deliver user-centered products that boost user satisfaction and business goals. You have to highlight the metrics. Redesign the onboarding flow resulting in a 30% drop in a user churn. So you need to include your portfolio link. Example, portfolio something like www.yourportfolio.com, something like rambal.com or your name.com. So keep the file name very professional. So your resume file name, the file name should be first name underscore last name, UX UI designer underscore resume.pdf. So you have to save it as a PDF. Final thought. Your resume is your first UX project. Think about the user, that is a recruiter basically speaking, and make it easy for them to read. So they have to find the information and get impressed quickly with you. So if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And hey, if you have any resume related questions you are struggling with, drop them in the comment section. So I will try to answer all those. So keep learning, keep explore. I will catch you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye-bye.